I don't even think the word no is in his vocabulary. He's always just yes, and he'll get things done for you when you need it to get done. And actually, the best thing about him is his wife. She's the best at baking cookies and cakes. She kept us well fed on the road trips, and we really appreciate that. I'm introducing Trent Meacham.
I knew Meeks was going to say something about my wife. At least it was something nice. But this next player, he's one of my best friends. He's a great guy off the court. Just for one example, when I got hurt, he came with me to the hospital. A couple of doctors looked at him like, what is he doing there? He's sitting with my wife, and he said, I'm checking on my brother. So, I appreciate him. He's always there for myself and all the guys. He's someone you won't know if he scored 3 points or 30 points when he walks out of the locker room after a game. Just a great teammate, great player, my good friend, number 22, Dwayne the Prez Anderson.
Dankeschön. Alles klar? That's about all the German I know, so from here on out, I'm speak English. The next player we have is, everyone knows who he is. Can everyone hear me?